How wonderful. How the nature is blessing us with such beautiful rain. And this rain will wash out all our problems which we are having. And we will start a new wonderful life. It is very good. So we would like to see, we can see now the first special dance where Soma has struggled very, very hard. See, exactly when we started, the rain started. This was the clear answer from all the celestials. Now we are with them and we will make a very nice program. Please, Soma.
Tripu
Thank you so much. This was really a wonderful dance here. In spite of so many difficulties, it is surprised how you master it so nicely. You had a smile on your face, and I think it is the right time. What you have really done, a wonderful. This is the first one dance, the just newest, latest dance in such a wonderful place here. Thank you very much. Now we are going then to the next item. O Divine Mother of all worlds, victory to you, victory to you, victory to you. O Divine Mother, how charming and lovely is your name. It pleases the heart, is offer everything, whatever dear to me, at your feet, O Divine Mother. Victory to you, O Divine Mother. O Divine Mother, you only are Sri Rama, Sri Krishna, Durga, Kala, and Sri Radha. O Mother, O Mother, O Mother. Jagadambika, O Divine Mother of all worlds, victory to you. Whatever I want to obtain, I get from you only. Whatever you give, in that delight. Nobody and nothing remains with me, because I have offered everything to you. Jagadambike, O Divine Mother of all worlds, victory to you, victory to you. You can see these dances, they have really a very strong meaning there. So we have victory to her. She has given us everything what we are in need of. And finally she will take all of us to her that is there. So much it is a very beautiful dance here. And I request now so much, please kindly come. Now we can see the young, wonderful girl, which has since quite some time already with Soma, and is learning in such a smart and perfect way. Very good. Yes, guys, alles habe ich.
जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। क्या मन हरना सुहाया है, क्या मन हरना सुहाया है। वारूं सब कुछ माँ चरणों पर, मेरे मन को ये भाया है। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जय माँ जय माँ। श्री राम तू ही, श्री कृष्ण तू ही, दुर्गा काली श्री राधा तू। हे माँ हे माँ हे माँ। ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव शंकर में तेरा ही तेज समाया है। तेरा ही तेज समाया है। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जय माँ जय माँ। मैं जो पाऊं तुमसे पाऊं, जो तेरे उसमें हर शाम। कुछ रहे न मेरा अपनापन, मैंने सर्वस्व चढ़ाया है। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जय माँ जय माँ। जय माँ जय माँ।
Thank you so much, Radha. Thank you, Arohi. She has done a very wonderful work here, and she is really, she likes to learn, and that is a wonderful thing. I think you better explain it.
आरोही मेरे सबसे नए नृत्य शिष्य है, बहुत टैलेंटेड बच्ची है। उसको बहुत कम लेसन्स मिले हैं, लगभग 1-2 महीने से, और वो बहुत ध्यान से सुन रही है मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, और इसको बहुत सुंदर करती भी है, मेरी बात मानती है। बहुत पवित्र बच्ची हैं। हमारे एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट श्री विद्या प्रीस की पुत्री हैं, और इनकी मम्मी भी बहुत पवित्र हैं। और मुझे लग रहा वो आरोही के भविष्य बहुत उज्जवलमय होगी। थैंक यू आरोही, तुम हमारी बाला त्रिपुरा सुंदरी हो, तुम बहुत सुंदर हो और तुम्हारा डांस भी बहुत सुंदर था। आज उसकी सेकंड परफॉर्मेंस थी, पहली परफॉर्मेंस गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन में था। अब मैं हमारी श्रीमती वंदना वाइट जी से निवेदन करना चाहती हूँ कि आरोही को एक छोटा सा इनाम देगी। प्लीज़ आइए।
You see, there are people, they want to keep their profession for themselves. But the wonderful thing is that Soma gives her profession to the children so that they can use it. And not only that, they do that in a most perfect way here. This is very, very important here. So, and the child is growing up, she's coming very happy, she's coming over there, and with the discipline, you know, so much discipline, she's learning a lot. Now we go to the next dance. Through the following bhajan dance, the Divine Mother is worshipped. It says, whatever the Vedas says about the greatness of the Divine Mother, it is really true. The Divine Mother has endless names and forms, and she is full of compassion and tender love. She only has created this beautiful world, the moon, the sun, the stars, the sky, the mountains, the waterfalls, the flowers, the lush forest, which delights our heart. Because of her grace, the ground on which we live is solid and safe. And now it rains also. Finally, the devotee implores the Divine Mother to grant divine wisdom and remain forever in the heart. The dance was choreographed by Somaji. Please, Somaji.
मुझे अपनी भक्ति का वरदान दो, दया अब करो माँ, मुझे ज्ञान दो। हो आशा मेरी पूरी मातेश्वरी, मेरे दिल में हो बस मूरत तेरी, तेरे लखा की मैया बिनती यही है, यही है, यही है, यही है, यही। तेरे लखा की मैया बिनती यही है, यही है, यही है, यही है, यही। माँ वेदों ने जो तेरी महिमा कही है, माँ वेदों ने जो तेरी महिमा कही है, सही है, सही है, सही है, सही। तू करुणामयी और ममतामयी है, सही है, सही है, सही है, सही। माँ वेदों ने जो तेरी महिमा कही है, सही है, सही है, सही है, सही। तू करुणामयी और ममतामयी है, सही है, सही है, सही है, सही। ओ माँ सही है, सही है, सही है, सही। ये सही है, सही है, सही है, सही। माँ सही है, सही है, सही है, सही।
Wonderful, Soma, wonderful. My dear friends, we can learn a very lot of Soma. You see, before she dances or after dance, she offers everything to the divine. You see, the difficulty which most of the people are making is, whenever you make a good work, you go and say, I did it. It is absolutely failure. Whenever you have made a good work, immediately offer the work to the divine. Say, Mahatripura Sundari Appan Master, I give you this work here. Never keep the things for yourself. Otherwise, you might only rush to heaven. And once you are in the heaven, after some time you have to come back to this thing here. Whatever work you are doing, you may be a lawyer, you may be a painter, you may be a carpenter. When the work is finished, oh Lord, I offer this to you here. And the science says, the Vedic science says, the reward never belongs to you, it belongs to the divine. If you keep the reward for you, it doesn't bring good results here. So we should, to make progress on our spiritual path, we should everything we should offer to the divine, even the smallest thing. And if we start doing like this here, you will see after some time it becomes so automatically. And the writing, let's say the cook finishes work, start bring this to them. Immediately in thought or maybe in words, he have to offer the food to the divine. You see, before the priests are taking food, they are offering to the divine. So, but why only the food? Everything we are doing, we should offer to the divine. Then the chances for fast growing towards near to the divinity will be absolutely there. Please never forget this point here. Whatever you do, always make an offering to the divine. Otherwise, the other way around, it becomes selfish. And anything which is selfish can never bear the blessing of the divine. So we have to give it to him. I assure you, after some time, a source of a happiness come to you, and this is joy to give it. The less you have, the more you have. So whatever you do, anything from morning till evening, make it a prayers. You will be successfully and things will be changed. That is what I wanted to tell. It is very good that so much you always had that full moon evening, because we can chalk out so many nice things here. Huh? Now, I hand over the mic to our most honorable Sri Agnihotraji. Please kindly come forward. Swami Onkharananda Maharaj ki jai ho.
Adorations to our Reverend Swamiji, Swami Sachidanand, Somaji, and all present here on this occasion. Really, whatever this dances you have seen right now, they performed by our this small Arohi and Somaji, these are really not an extraordinary things. This really needs very much practice. Simply we can say they are forming this, they are making the form like this, actually, but it is very difficult, rhythmic and step by step and all these things in a systematic tuning. It needs a vigorous, lever. And Somaji has an extraordinary power to train all these small kids. Now you see Arohi, she is quite small, little, but Somaji has trained her in such an extraordinary way. Everybody, all of you have seen this, how beautifully and amazingly she has performed. Now, actually, I come to, you see, this, what Swamiji has said, here is the time we should offer everything to divinity or to divine. Only then we can get something. This is not the thing, we are doing something and again we say, oh, we should get this thing, we should get this thing. No, nothing doing. This, our great poet, Tulsidas ji, he has said in Ramayana, he has written in Ramayana, Uttarakhand, बड़े भाग मानुस तन पावा, सुर दुर्लभ सब गंधें गावा. Means we are really very fortunate. We are very fortunate we have got this human body. And we are also very fortunate we have got our birth in this country, which is really very rich in the culture. Even this birth, human birth, is very rare to our gods also. This is the means of attaining moksha. So, here in our ashram, you see, our ashram is known for this all around, number one, for everything, you see, religious activities. Our priests, they chanted the mantras with so powerful mantras, they invoke all the celestial powers here and gets the blessings. And our Gurudev, Swami Paramahans Omkaran Saraswati ji, and like what I should not forget here, our Swamiji is the true embodiment of. If somebody wants to see the true embodiment, let him come to our Omkaran Ashram. Here he can see this Swami Sachidanand ji, Swami Vishwesanand ji, Kumari Soma Sekhri ji. They are really true embodiment of devotion, dedication, and this hard work, labor. Every time, Swamiji, this we can see Swamiji all the time. Swamiji never says I word they have deleted from their dictionary for anything, whatever they do, how so important it is, they always dedicate this. Somaji, really wonderful. She performs a dance, and not only dance, she does so important works in the ashram. Really, these are beyond our intelligence. We cannot understand how important and how precisely she makes the things. Likewise, our Swami Sachidanand ji, my goodness, the embodiment of patience. You see, what so important work Swamiji is doing. Whenever I ask Swamiji this thing, he never say anything. Never say. Very lovely, in a very lovely manner, he tells us, yes, this is the thing. He taught me this, how to know this computer operation. Really wonderful. Even today, I am not perfect. I always ask Swamiji with great love. He never says, oh, 10 times I have told you, but you have not learned. No. This is his patience. This is really quality. So all these things are here in our ashram only. We pray that our Gurudev Swami Omkaranand Maharaj should bless all of us. Our ashram should prosper day and night, and we should always be marching forward on the path of progress. Really, Swamiji, what Swamiji has done is, they are very busy in realizing the vision of his Gurudev by lighting the lamp of knowledge and replacing the darkness of ignorance. In the hills, it is means needless to say, everybody knows it, how many schools are running in the remotest areas of the hills, and everything is being provided, transport, computer, and everything is provided by Swamiji. And they are always busy in realizing the vision of their Gurudev. I am really very thankful, and once again I express my heartfelt thanks to our Swamiji for being given me an opportunity to speak on this holy occasion. I really very, very thankful to our all these honorable guests here who are present on this holy occasion, and this will continue in future also. Swamiji, please.
You see, before we close, I would like to give you a small, interesting story. You see, a king and his ministers, they saw a lot of land here, and they saw a farmer there. The king observed that that farmer was such a happy man here, and the king went to him and asked him what, because the king himself was a little bit a depressed man. So he asked the farmer, what you are doing that your face is always so happy? He says, oh, look here, whatever I'm getting here from this land, it is sufficient for me. It is sufficient for my family. Why I shall have all this here? But you must do some other things also. No, you see, it is a humble thinking which I'm having here. So that keeps me always happy. But the minister told to the king, let's test him. So what they are doing overnight, they put 99 golden coins in front of his house. In the morning, when the farmer came out, to surprise, he saw 99 coins over there. And immediately he started counting. He was delighted and said, there must be a wonder happened. Yesterday the king, today this here. It's amazing. And how this has just come. But then one question entered to him. Why 99? Where is the other one? There must have been 100. So what he did here, he started to crawling around and looking around. He couldn't find. Then his wife came, your food is ready, why you are wasting time? No, he came a little upset, saying, no, I must have, one is missing. And he went, he became more and more restless. And time has passing, and still he was searching out in the house, spending time. Suddenly, he had no more so much time for the family because he was seriously worried about this single one coin which is failing. And he rushed here and there. Finally, a lot of dramas has started. And in the last end, to make it short, even this 99 finally have gone because after so much quarrel and difficulty. You see the moral from all these things here, greediness he was living a fantastic life. Everything was in front of him. And the moment a challenge came here, and when these gold coins were there, he was being packed with greed that this single one is not here. And with this single one, he spoiled his whole life and family peace and everything. See, greediness always disturbs our thing. Greediness keeps family unruly, and it is a lot of problem. Greediness has poisoned the soul of our man. We have to be very careful. You see, as long we are having greediness and jealousy and all these things in our heart, no Lord will come. How Diva Mother, how Celestial will go away. Celestial wants to go where everything is shining, where the man has a prayer on his lips, where the ladies are singing, where everything is joyous harmony, where the thoughts are in a wonderful way here. There the Celestial want to go. But they don't want to be in a place where there is a thing, where there is trouble, difficulty, this where the spider goes around and all these things here. You can see from that thing here, when the minister told to the king, now his life has practically become worst, and that 2 for 1. The test has absolutely worked, and this has so-called happened. So we have to always check our heart. The moment when a little thought of some jealousy arises when somebody has more, immediately it should take away. If somebody has more, when somebody has more, he has also more burden. Do you think Bill Gates and all these people are they very happy? Elon Musk and all this, sitting on a huge amount of money, you will hardly see a happy face of them. The more you have, the greater the trouble are there. And you when finally when they have to lift the body, who takes it? Maybe government, maybe family, maybe somewhere else. But anyway, the most important thing is, what I want to tell you is, we have to control ourselves. We should see that we are satisfied with whatever we have, because otherwise difficulty can arise. We have to, because we have not to forget, again, that we are here on this planet to realize. We all who are sitting here, one day we have to realize the divinity, we have to come back to her. And she is right in all of you, and she waits for your own command that you are ready to come here. We have to try, it is very important. And while we are trying, and the more we are trying, the more our happiness arises. Sometimes it can shiver somebody, because when the divinity enters in some heart here. So let us not be that farmer who is going to spoil his money, going to spoil his family, because he became so greedy after this 1 rupee here. And I know all of you, you are on the wonderful path. I feel all of you are highly blessed. Blessed that you are here, that you are part of our Diva Mother Kamakshi, part of the Supreme Paramhams Sri Swami Omkarananda, who will definitely take care for everything you have. But he does it in such a way that your result will be extraordinary. I am thankful to the priest for making again all the beautiful arrangement over here. When we could yesterday or so show to the wise sons of this temple here, he was totally surprised to see how nicely and wonderful it is done. It shows that our priest is having dedication to the Lord, and dedication to our Omkaran Kamakshi Devi, which is always smiling and happy with them. Thank you, thank you very much. Again, Swami Omkarananda Maharaj ki jai. Now we take your prasad.